in this video, I am just going to tell you that how to see your birthday announcing pronoun on the Facebook. That's very simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up Facebook, and then just come to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy section, just click on see more in account center, and then click on personal details and go to birthday section. After that, just click on who can see your birthday on the Facebook, and then click on change visibility on Facebook, and then here you can see the gender option. In the gender option, just click on more option, and here you can see what pronoun do you use. So here this pronouns is showing which you have selected. If you want to change it, just click on this little drop down menu and just change it according to your gender. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.